right, so here it is. Finally arrived. The newly released Xbox Series X. So let's take a look. It's the 4K, 120 frames, 1 terabyte SSD system from Microsoft. The latest and greatest video game console. So let's see what we have here. So here, before I get it unboxed, let's see some of the things that is listed on the box here. 4K gaming up to 120 FPS, up to 8K high dynamic range, Xbox Velocity architecture, 1 terabyte solid state drive, variable refresh rate, 4K Blu-ray player. So that's pretty good. Shout out to Purelator for dropping it off today. Shout out to Best Buy. All right, so let's get this open. So it looks like we have a tab here. No unboxing knife necessary. Another tab on this side. I got another 2 on the bottom. Say what's up to Master Chief. All right, let's get this open. There we are. Power Your Dreams. Opens like a special chest or something like that. That was different. I never opened the box like that before. All right, here's the system. Oh, let's get it out. It's real heavy. Okay, let's see what else we have in here. Getting started card. Additional support, telling you how to put in your batteries, telling you how to sync the controller, telling you how to set up the initial system through your phone, and different ports. Let's get that out of the way. Okay, let's see what's in the box here. So it looks like we have the power cable, HDMI 2.1, which is necessary to get your 4K 120. I currently don't have a 120 capable TV at this time, but that will be coming in the near future. Fingers crossed. Manual. Check that. And looks like we got the new, slightly redesigned Xbox Series X controller with the new share button. It's got your textured back here for the handles, textured grips, and slightly textured bumper. Comes with 2 AA batteries. Let's put those in. All right, put that off to the side. All right, so that's everything that is in the box. Pretty sure I got everything. Let's unwrap this bad boy. It's like Christmas early. There it is. The Xbox Series X unwrapped. So as we could see, we have the power button, the CD slot to put your DVDs or games, eject button, controller sync button, USB. Let's see what we have here. We have Xbox here, and on the back we have our ports. We have 2 USBs, storage expansion slot. We have the socket to put in the power, and we have our HDMI out. On the bottom we just have a little stand, and it actually says "Hello from Seattle Xbox" on the bottom. This is not removable, doesn't spin, and this could be placed in 2 orientations. One could be stood up like this, or with the rubber feet that we have here, it could be laid down on its side like that. So that's it. Xbox Series X unboxing. In the next video, we're gonna check out how the games look. So stay tuned for that. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next video. Take care.